Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer Turcott.
And I'm Marcus Parsley, and we are IGL Coatings.
And we are here to talk to you today about our ceramic wheel coating. So Marcus, tell me how you apply this.
By hand or by HVLP, put it on an applicator block once the tire or the wheel itself has been thoroughly cleaned. Wipe it on, give it a couple of minutes to flash. Wipe off any residue with your microfiber towel, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah, it's kind of pretty cut and dry. The biggest benefit of this is the fact that your wheels are going to stay a lot cleaner longer. It's going to prevent against brake dust, high heat, chemical resistance. It's good in all weather types, and it's going to add more gloss too.
So I'm going to get good looks and ease of cleaning. And
yes, because we all know how fun it is to clean wheels.
I don't like bending down that long.
I'm not a fan.
Me either.
This is definitely going to be something that if you don't like cleaning your wheels, you want to protect them, you want to keep them staying clean, glossy, this is going to be the ticket for you. For more information on this product, go visit Autogeek.com.